So hello students, most welcome to Python Scope channel. Write down a question. Write a program, print series 1 to 10. If series reaches on 5, then program break. So friends, I have using break keyword. What I have using break keyword. So let's start. Break is a keyword. It used to break the education. It always used loop. So friend, start for I in range. So friends, first line is for I in range 1 comma 11 and now colon. So let's get second line. If I double equal 5 semicolon, not semicolon, colon, and then break. So friends, I have always using break keyword in this Python programming language. So now next line, else colon and then enter print I. So friends, print I, and now I will have get you see output this using break keyword. So run, let's do it. 1 2 3 4. It is friends, we understanding that we like to 1 comma 11 range is 1 comma 11 1 to 11, and if we need to, which means I is equal to 5, and then break using keyword else print I which is known as 1 comma 11, and then output is see here 1 2 3 and 4. So friends, thanks for watching. You have new for this channel, subscribe the channel.